Have you ever noticed this? There's always one normal guy in class who comes back after summer vacation completely different. The same quiet guy who barely talked before now controls the attention of the entire room. More energy, sharper face, higher confidence, stronger body, calmer mindset. That becomes his new identity. And the craziest part, he looks attractive without even trying. You spend the whole year talking non-stop in class and still cannot impress one girl. But him, he barely says anything and somehow attracts everyone. Teacher's favorite, student's favorite, even your crush slowly starts getting attracted to him. Now the real question is, what exactly did he do? Listen carefully, because the answer is summer arc. But what even is summer arc? Simple. From April to July, while everybody else wastes time enjoying vacations, some people secretly rebuild themselves, their body, face, mindset, future, and their financial goals. And those same 90 days can either completely change your life or leave you stuck in the same place you've been trapped in for years. Skinny body, low confidence, no discipline, no purpose, just scrolling, cheap dopamine, and endless excuses. So watch this video till the end, because what I'm about to tell you will make it impossible for you to ignore your summer arc anymore. And do you know the scariest part? You've slowly become comfortable being average. Phone the second you wake up, reels all night, mind overloaded, life empty. Every single day you tell yourself, I'll change tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Now imagine this. Summer ends, you walk into school, college, or the gym, and people can't even recognize you. Body transformed, face sharper, confidence dangerous, energy different, mindset elite, and for the first time in your life, you actually feel proud when you look in the mirror. People ask, bro, what happened to you? That is summer arc. And trust me, if you don't change yourself this summer, next year will disappear in the exact regret. Every generation reaches a moment where it has to decide, stay average or become unforgettable. And for American teens and young people, summer is that moment. And maybe you're thinking, why summer? Why not the rest of the year? Because during summer, you finally have time. No school pressure, no assignments, no fake schedules. For the first time, you get a real chance to work on yourself. More free time, more control, more freedom, just you and your habits. But what will most people do? Netflix, scrolling, gaming, late nights, parties, and by September, they'll still be exactly the same. Same body, same mindset, same weak habits. But some people disappear during summer. From social media, from distractions, from comfort. And 90 days later, they come back completely transformed. That is called summer arc. And if you seriously want to do this, today I'm giving you a complete blueprint for summer arc. It's divided into 4 parts, so don't even think about skipping. But understand this is not just about getting abs. This is about becoming someone you genuinely respect. Part 1, morning control. Think about this. If your morning gets destroyed, your whole day feels destroyed too. That's why the very first thing you need to master is your morning. Wake up early, around 4 to 5 a.m. Drink water. Go outside for a morning walk, because the silence of the morning changes your brain. Your mind becomes calmer, your focus becomes sharper, and slowly, your mindset becomes stronger. Part 2, to-do list. After your morning walk and yoga, write down every goal and task you want to complete that day. Simple. When you know exactly what needs to get done, you stop wasting time and you focus harder on your goals. Then add one challenge. No screen for 1 hour. After waking up, don't touch your phone for 1 full hour. No Instagram, no YouTube, no reels, because early morning internet fills your brain with cheap dopamine. But when you stay away from it, your focus shifts completely toward your summer arc. Part 3, body and personality. Upgrade only focusing on goals does not complete a summer arc. You also need to improve your body and your appearance. I'm not saying you need insane gym workouts, Just stay active. And if you don't know where to start, go to my friend's channel, Self Express. You'll find a full roadmap there for building your body at home. And when it comes to looks, I'm not talking about expensive clothes. I'm saying this: keep yourself clean enough and presentable enough that nobody can underestimate you at first glance. Wear simple clothes, but wear them clean and wear them confidently. Part 4: Resilient Mindset. Most people fail summer arc for one reason. The moment their routine breaks for one day, they think everything is ruined. But that's not true. Summer arc is not about perfection. Some days your routine will break. Some days motivation disappears. Some days discipline slips. That's normal. But you cannot let that stop you because you are different. You are a fighter. So whenever you feel like quitting, come back and watch this video again. Not for my views, but because you are a summer arc fighter. And if you made it this far without skipping, seriously, congratulations, because you are already different from most people. And maybe this is the beginning of your new life.